Rode Wireless is upgraded with more convenient technology. I'll provide a most comprehensive review on Rode Wireless Me, testing outdoor, doing distance tests, and using it in streaming software, smartphone, and laptop. You're already hearing me from Rode Wireless Me, and doesn't it sound so great? So here we go. Hey, I'm Young, and today I'm a Rode girl. So I am using wireless microphone from Rode, which is one of my favorite microphone brands out there. And this time it is Wireless Me. So you guys know all my microphone videos, they are 100% raw sound directly from Rode Wireless Me microphone that I'm using right now. It is currently connected to my main YouTube camera, Sony camera. And I think the sound is already absolutely great. So inside the box, you'll find everything that you need for the connection: camera, smartphone, Apple, as well as Android, and PC as well. You will get one receiver, one transmitter, one USB-C to Lightning cable for Apple users out there, and one USB-C to USB-C cable. Two fur windshields, one carry pouch, TRS to TRS cable, and one TRS to TRS cable. So voila, everything comes in the box. And it goes all into this tiny little pouch to keep it very safe in your camera bag. But for this video, since I'm introducing this Wireless Me microphone, so I'm actually having it very obviously on my blouse. But of course you can turn this around to this way. Right now there is a sticker on, and you can turn it around like this. It really will be so discreet in your blouse, especially if you're wearing black shirt. But today it's a review video, so I want to make it as obviously as possible. So I'm just gonna have it the other way around, and also wearing a white blouse. So the most awesome thing about Rode Wireless series is that they're super simple to use. So for Rode Wireless Me, transmitter, receiver, they are already paired up. So all you need to do is just turn it on and then connect it to whatever devices that you're going to use to film your next video. And the latest technology, gain assist technology, it really allows you to record crystal clear audio that you're hearing right now. Whether it being connection with camera or your mobile phone or laptop, it will automatically adjust the sound as it's needed. So right now I'm inside smartphone, and you can see this entire setup looks super duper simple. So there is this receiver, and with the latest smartphone gimbals out there, there is usually a slot for it. And the Wireless Me transmitter is right by my mouth, so you are definitely gonna catch the best sound possible. So you're gonna get crystal clear sound from your lips while you're filming videos for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So you might be thinking, Rode Wireless Me, this only has one transmitter. And you'll be like, what if there are two people who want to talk into the microphone? Just like what you found with Rode Wireless Go 2. Well, not a problem, because Wireless Me, it does have even more simple solution. There are two microphones. So first one, of course, it's built in the transmitter. So you are hearing me speaking right into it while I'm actually recording on my mobile phone here. And if you do have someone taking a film for you and they are also part of your video, then there is a built-in microphone in the receiver. Wonderful, right? So to show you how to built-in microphone works, so basically I'm gonna take out this microphone and then put it away from me. And then say, I'm someone who is filming behind the camera, but still want my voice inside the camera, then yes, right now you are hearing me from this receiver, which also has built-in microphone, a really simple but needed technology. So you definitely do have two microphones in this Wireless Me series. That's why you don't have the screen that you used to see in the predecessor's Wireless Go series. So here, there's no screen, but not a problem, because you can actually control everything inside the app. And what's amazing about the app and also the latest technology is that if you really need to do an interview with so many different people, then you can actually connect Wireless Go 2. So both of these microphones, Me and Go 2, they do enjoy Series 4 2.5 4 gigahertz digital transmission, which means the sound is excellent, but which also means you can actually connect these two microphones together. So here we go. I have one more transmitter, and this is from Rode Wireless Go 2. So what I can do and what I have already done inside the app is actually turn everything on. So I've actually turned on the receiver microphone on, as well as the transmitter from Wireless Me, as well as Wireless Go 2 additional transmitter. So I can actually have an interview, a 3-way interview. Oh, so hey guys, can you guys like move to this side? Yeah, yes. That side. All right, so you can start the interview right now. Great. Isn't it just wonderful that we can actually have an interview, 3-way interview, like what we're doing right now in the outdoor in such a simple setup. Yes, it is wonderful. I am actually just using Rode Wireless Go 2, but it actually works together with Wireless Me. So that was handy. 3 little devices, you have 1 receiver and 2 transmitters. That means you do have 3 microphones. So if you are doing some mobile phone video shooting, or you are on your laptop doing some Zoom conference call, this little setup that goes into this tiny little pouch, it gives you a complete microphone system that would totally work in the full professional interview setting. So right now I'm going to do distance test and Wireless Me, which you're hearing still from Wireless Me, and recording on my mobile phone here. The distance range, same as the predecessors, Wireless Go 2 and Wireless Go. It is up to 100 meters. So what I'm gonna do is just go as far as at the back, which should be around 100 meters. So let's go. Ciao, ciao. So I need to actually make sure that I sort of run in line of sight. That's why I'm holding the transmitter, so that you guys actually getting a very good mic test. So I'm gonna go to the end. So I still need to be, of course, in line of sight, but what it means is that you can have, I don't know, you can really do filmmaking in this way. Okay, I need to just keep on saying okay. So I'm back, distance test. So as usual, Rode Wireless series, it is truly wireless, up to 100 meters, checked. But you definitely have to be in line of sight for that. So hi guys, so you are hearing me in the video capture, the video recording device within my laptop here. And you're definitely hearing me from the receiver. So the very simple setup, all you need to do is connect the receiver to your laptop and then just turn on the Me mic. So video resolution inside the laptop, it's not the best with what I have right now on hand. However, the voice, the microphone, I'm sure you are hearing me very, very well. So this is a very simple setup. Just use the cable which is included in the box and then use the receiver, and that's it. So with the Me mode turned on here, you can actually have full control of the device, and you can actually just simply use this kind of method. However, if you want to move around freely in front of the camera using your laptop, you want to switch on the transmitter. So right now I do have transmitter on, and I've actually turned off the Me mic. The reason being is, unless you need dual mic, you need another microphone for another person, then I think it's best to just have the transmitter on, so it just captures the sound from my mouth. So this way, super simple, 1 second to set it up, and you have full control using the Rode provided software, which is free. And then you can just go streaming, you can use video conference, and it is so simple to use. And you know, in the video, the most important factor, you guys know that it is sound. And now I have used several days using this Wireless Me microphone, and I can say it's actually slowly taking over all my sound system for my YouTube purpose and so on. So you guys are definitely gonna see me use this Wireless Me microphone in my video in the future, although maybe not so obviously here. However, I'm gonna turn it around and make it really discreet on my shirt. So I hope you enjoyed listening to me in the outdoor setting, in a long distance setting, and also using laptop, mobile phone, and camera. And the sound quality from Rode is always great, so don't forget to check out the link down below for more information. And I'll come back with other interesting tech gadgets, so please subscribe, like the video, and see you!